stay focused and refreshed. Another strategy is to prioritize your tasks, set specific goals for yourself, and identify the most important assignments and deadlines. Time is measured by hours, days, years, and so on. There is very important time in our life. If time is invested properly, it could be used to develop a skill. Time also heals a person both externally and internally. Time is more valuable than money. Money can be earned back, but time cannot be. If time is considered to be the ultimate thing that cannot be measured when proper work is done and completed on time, it will yield a fruitful result. Thank you.
And it helps you to arrange the priority. So priority will help you whether certain things you have to ignore or not, or whether it is related to your goal or not. And the second point is avoid multitasking. In India, there is an assumption that multitasking increases the productivity of work. But for a long time, it started gradually reducing the productivity. So, what my advice, try to do one work at a time. It will increase your full confidence and it will move you gradually towards the success. And third, the last one is minimize the distractions. Nowadays we observe most of the children are so much addicted to phone. So better you turn off your notifications of email, WhatsApp status, stories on Insta and stories on Snapchat. So there is a facility provided by phone making companies that is called Zen mode. Z-E-N. It's a Japanese word. It means meditation. So in these features are available in phone itself, and there is an app is also available. Once you activate the Zen mode for a particular duration of time, so your phone will stop working. Even if you try to in between you change your mind, still the phone is not going to work. So Zen mode will help you to detach from the phone or phone addiction. Thank you and have a nice day.